Good evening everyone. Welcome to 10 Max. I am moving to exercise 2.5 question number 7. What is the question actually? If Z1, Z2 and Z3 are three complex numbers such that modulus of Z1 is equal to 1. One of the condition. Solution actually. First condition, modulus of Z1 is equal to 1. Second condition, so modulus of Z2 is equal to true. Third condition, modulus of Z3 is equal to 3. So first condition, square on both sides. So square on both sides. What will happen? Modulus of Z1 square is equal to 1. 1 square means 1 is there. Already we know one property, isn't it? So modulus of Z square means Z into Z bar. So what will happen? Z1 into Z1 bar is equal to 1 means Z1 is equal to 1 by Z1 bar. Moving to next condition here, okay, square on both sides. What will happen? Modulus of Z2 square means 2 square means will be 4. The same condition, Z2 into Z2 bar is equal to 4 means Z2 is equal to 4 by Z2 bar. So third part, again square on both sides. What will happen? Modulus of Z3 square is equal to 3 square means 9. So Z3 into Z3 bar is equal to 9 means Z3 is equal to 9 by, so 9 by Z3 bar. Therefore, this condition we need, isn't it? So Z1 is equal to, what is the value? 1 by Z1 bar. Then Z2 is equal to 4 by Z2 bar. Z3 is equal to 9 by Z3 bar. Now, then next condition, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to 1. So Z1 is equal to, what is the value? Modulus of 1 by Z1 bar. Then Z2 is equal to 4 by Z2 bar. Z3 is equal to 9 by Z3 bar is equal to 1, isn't it? So 1. Now, so LCM, what will happen? Z1 bar, Z2 bar, Z3 bar means the first condition 1 into Z2 bar plus Z3 bar. Second term 4 into Z1 bar into Z3 bar. Third condition 9 into Z1 bar into Z2 bar is equal to 1. So again apply one property. Modulus of Z1 by modulus of Z2 whole modulus means separate modulus, isn't it? So modulus of Z1 into Z2. The time body the namakku numerator denominator separate modulus board. What will happen? So Z2, sorry my dear, this is actually Z2 into Z3 bar, okay. Z2 Z3 bar plus 4 Z1 bar into Z3 bar plus 9 Z1 bar into Z2 bar divided by, again denominator separate modulus, Z1 bar, Z2 bar, Z3 bar. Now next condition, so equal to 1, isn't it? So next condition, what, this is close modulus. So now again what we have to do, modulus of Z1, Z2, Z3, this is actually we are applying one more property. What is the property? Z1 bar plus Z2 bar is equal to Z1 plus Z2 the whole bar. Then another one property, modulus of Z bar is equal to only modulus of Z. So we are changing like that. In the first term body whole modulus எடுக்கும், what will happen? So Z2 Z3 plus It's not enough. Z2 Z3 plus 4 Z1 Z3 plus 9 Z1 Z2 whole modulus again divided by denominator இருக்கக்கூடியது separate term போடலாமா separate term means again this is first we have to consider Z1 Z2 Z3 whole modulus, isn't it? Otherwise இந்த term வந்துட்டு நம்ம separate term போடலாமா modulus of Z1 modulus then modulus of Z2 modulus then modulus of Z3 modulus is equal to 1, isn't it? Now இந்த கண்டிஷன் படி அப்போ இப்போ ரெண்டாவது கண்டிஷன் அதாவது Z பார் இருக்கக்கூடியது பார் இல்லாமல் எழுதலாம்ல அப்போ அந்த கண்டிஷன் படி இதை எழுதும்போது வாட் வில் ஹேப்பன் ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்துட்டு பெரிய டேம் எழுதிக்கலாம் அக்கார்டிங் டு தி ஷோ தட் கண்டிஷன் ஃபஸ்ட்டு பிகர் நம்பர் 9 Z1 into Z2 ப்ளஸ் செகண்ட் 4 Z1 into Z3 third one Z2 Z3, isn't it? Third one Z2 into Z3 divided by this is also without bar Z1 into Z2 into Z3 is equal to 1, isn't it? Okay. Cross multiply, what will happen? Cross multiply means 9 Z1 Z2 plus 4 Z1 Z3 then plus Z2 and Z3. So cross multiply பண்ணும்போது ஒன்றால் இதை multiply பண்ணும்போது அதே term தான் வரும் modulus of Z1 modulus of Z2 and modulus of Z3. So now what will happen? So definitely LHS part என்ன பார்ட் கொடுத்துருக்கோம் என்ன எடுத்துருக்கோம் 9 into Z1 into Z2, isn't it? So Z1 into Z2 plus 4 into Z1 into Z3 then plus Z2 into Z3 is equal to okay Z1 is equal to we know what is the value 1. So 1 into Z2 is equal to what is the value modulus of 2 into Z3 is equal to what is the value 3. Therefore modulus of 9 Z1 Z2 then 4 into Z1 Z3 plus Z2 into Z3 is equal to 1 into 2 2 2 into 3 is equal to 6. செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம் இதுதான் நமக்கு கிடைச்ச ஃபைனல் ஆன்சர் என்ன கேட்டிருந்தாங்க modulus of 9 Z1 Z2 9 Z1 Z2 plus 4 Z1 Z3 4 Z1 Z3 again Z2 into Z3 Z2 into Z3 is equal to 6. Okay, so we have proof. Okay, solution கொண்டு வந்திருக்கோம் கரெக்டான procedure. So please listen my dear students. If you have any doubt please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. And one more points, if you need more information please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell button. Whenever I post a new video you will receive the notification. Then another one important point, so please give me your valuable feedback. I am ready to rectify my mistake if I did. Okay, thanks to viewers, we will continue our next video. Bye bye.